Hi, I'm Ross Uebergang. Welcome to my channel. I'm something like a garden designer and constructor. I'm from Australia and I'm lucky enough to make boutique gardens for people to enjoy around the world. I love to know how things work and to make spaces that people want to use. On this channel we'll tackle everything garden and landscape design related, from plants to timber work and boulder placement. We'll look at the design and documentation process and also using some different software packages. I'm going to invite you into some of my projects and I'll even show some of my friends' work. I hope you find some of this useful. Hit the subscribe button to get notifications when I post new videos, and have a great day.